Hello friends, today we are going to uh, know how to record your screen to give a presentation or demonstrate a product. Camtasia is one option when it comes to capturing your screen, and it gives a lot of editing power over your final video. Later you can upload your video in variety of streaming service. So let us see how this Camtasia works. So before that, this software has to be downloaded. It is mainly used to create educational videos and for presentation purpose. So here I have already downloaded this software, that is Camtasia 2019. Then once you click on this, a dialog box will be opened, and here get started option is there. Here you have three options, that is new project, new recording or open project. So a new project has to be created means you have to click on this. Recording, that will record your screen. Open project, if you have any existing projects that you have already created, can be opened here. So let us start with a new project. When you click, the screen will be displayed here. In the screen you have different options over here. So if you want to import any video, what you have to display, click on import video, then select any of the videos, open. It will be displayed in your media bin. Then once it has been stored here, you can drag it and you can display over here. Okay, so the video will be placed here in track 2, track 1. Okay, then you have an option, that is all your photos, images or any kind of video can be put in a media bin, and then it can be dragged down. Next you have got a library. You have got different options, all built-in options are there, like intros and motion backgrounds, music tracks. If you want to include a music, you can open this and click on this, and you can drag the music over here. Okay, so many musics are there, whichever music or outros you want to put it in the last, you can, that is at the end of your video you can put the outros. Then you have transitions. Before that you have got annotations, that is different callouts are there, arrows and lines, shapes. If you want to insert any shape, you can just click on that and drag, and you can insert over here. So your shape will be displayed here, and you can adjust your shape wherever it has to be placed. And these are different options, like blur. If you want to blur a small any part of your screen, you can blur it. Or spotlight, highlight. If you want to highlight your video, interactive hotspot, and pixel it, that is in something, if you want to hide your details or anything, you can pixelate that. Now next thing is you've got transition. Different transitions are there. If you can click the transition and place it over here. So you just whichever transition you want, you can select and click. Then you have behavior. If you have inserted any text, you can use this behaviors. Different behaviors are there. Then you have got animations. Animations are there. Whether you want to zoom out, zoom, all these different options are there. And cursor effects. Cursor also you have got different effects of the cursor. You can use any of these effects. Click on more. You have more options like voice narration audio effects, visual effects, interactivity and captions. So if you want to add a caption, you can add a caption over here. Hello. See the size, the scale, that is the size can be increased or decreased, and you can position your video. So you can do this. Okay, so these are different options here, and here you have got a crop option also. In case if you want to crop your video also, you can crop your video. Once you finish all these adjustments, everything, then you have got in each track you have got different options here. That is, one is disable track or enable track. You can disable the track, that is everything is hidden, or enable the track, or you can block. You cannot move any of these videos or any of these images. If you unlock, then you will be able to move. Then you have an option, different options over here. You have to select your video. If you want to split your video, you can split here. It has been splitted here. Here first you have to select that video, and then only you have to use that split option. And if you want to copy one option to one place, right click, you can copy and you can paste it in other place wherever you want. You can cut. If you don't want, you can delete. There are different options over here. Want to remove, you can remove. All the animations, all transitions can be removed. If you want to add on the track, right click. Here insert track, you can insert one more track. Just click on the insert track, or if you don't want, you can remove that track. Remove. If you don't want to just tell no. Add a track. See, track 5 is added over here. If you don't want this track, you can remove that track also. You can, if you have done by mistake anything, you can undo and redo options are here. Okay, once this all your video is edited and it is ready, then you can share this video to a local file. Then you can press next. There are different formats. You can select any of these formats, then press next. Then you have your different options like size. Here the video size is being shown, video settings and audio settings options. So any changes you need, you can do over here. Then press next. Again next. Here you can give the name of your file. Doing trial. Then click finish. It will start rendering your project. Once it is rendered, you will be able to view your file. a few minutes to render your file. So once this rendering is over, the file will be stored. It will take some time to finish this. So here you have other options also, like you can upload in YouTube, and if you want to save this project, you can go to save as and save your project. You can save your project and again you can redo your project, or if any changes you want, you can do with that project. Once you complete the entire video, want to start a new recording, you can click your new recording. If you want to record your screen, click on record. You will have a small dialog box which will be displayed. This is your small dialog box. So you have different options here. Full screen, the entire screen will be displayed. Customize means you can customize your screen, and your dimensions are given to customize your screen. Here camera is off. If you want to on your camera, your webcam will start working. Audio is on, and if you click on record, start recording the webcam. And once you finish recording, you can stop the recording. Click over here and stop. And whatever you are recorded will be stored here. If you don't know the location where it is stored, open file location. It will show you the location. These are the previous recordings which was made. Okay. So if you drag here the recordings. So if you want to shorten this, you can shorten so that you can see the entire video what is there. Okay. So if I place it here, just click on, be able to watch the entire video. So this is how it will be played. If I drag, and I'll show you the screen recording how it was. You can stop the recording. So this is how the screen recording takes place by using this record option. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Bye.